Today we're going to read Fox and Chick, The Quiet Boat Ride, and Other Stories by Sergio Rosier. Sea monsters, pirates, shipwrecks. This right here is called the dedication page. This is where the author and or illustrator dedicate the book to someone that they care about. This one says, to Sophie, Brian, Eddie, and Johnny. This is called the title page. It has the title of the book and the author's name. And here is our contents page. The Quiet Boat Ride. What are you doing, Fox? I'm going for a quiet boat ride. Can I come too? I guess it doesn't have to be quiet. Can I be the captain? We don't need a captain, Chick. Captain Chick! That sounds good. What does a captain do, Fox? A captain sits still and quiet. I'm not the captain anymore, then. Are there sea monsters down there? I am not fond of sea monsters. Don't worry, Chick. This is a pond, not a sea. Are there pirates in this pond? I don't trust pirates. Don't worry, Chick. There is nothing to plunder on this boat. What if we get shipwrecked? I would hate to get shipwrecked. Don't worry, Chick. We could swim to shore. I don't know, Fox. This was supposed to be a quiet boat ride. A quiet boat ride was my plan. Wait! Is it? Yes! Are you kidding me? Sea monsters, pirates, shipwrecks? Land, land! Thank heavens, land! These quiet boat rides can be very stressful. Smooch, smooch, smooch. Chocolate cake. Oh no! I knew this would happen. Chick, why are you so sad? I received this box. Why don't you open it? I'm worried. It might be a chocolate cake. That's what I'm worried about. I thought you liked chocolate. I like chocolate cake more than life itself. So why don't you open the box? Because every time I eat a whole chocolate cake, I get very sick. You don't have to eat it all. I don't? You could share it. I could? Open the box, Chick. I don't know. What if there's no chocolate cake? Chick, there is a chocolate cake inside that box. How do you know? Because I brought you that box. Good cake. I think I could have eaten the whole thing by myself. I'm glad you didn't. The sunrise. Ring. Splash, splash, splash. Brush, brush, brush. Where are you going, Fox? To watch the sunrise from a hilltop. But it's so early. That's when the sun rises, Chick. May I come with you? Okay, but hurry. I don't want to miss it. No problem. I'll be right down. What should I wear, Fox? Chick, please hurry. Should I take an umbrella? It's not raining, and if it was, we wouldn't see any sunrise. Should I bring a salami? We'll eat later, Chick. Hurry. We're going to miss the sunrise. Should I take my hammer? What do you need your hammer for? I can't find my hammer. Chick, let's go. It was such a nice hammer. Where's the sunrise? Chick, we missed the sunrise. Oh, too bad. What do we do now, Fox? I have an idea, Chick. I like sunsets, Fox. Me too, Chick. I like them even better than sunrises. Have you ever seen a sunrise? This morning I almost did. Fox, I'm ready for another chocolate cake. The end.